safe and sound and operating where it should be. So like you just shared, we have seen a successful deployment of Webb now. And just today, it has arrived at its final destination in space. But before we go any further, let's learn a little bit more about Webb's new stable home in space at Lagrange Point 2.
The James Webb Space Telescope will perform its science mission while orbiting a location in space 1 million miles away from Earth, called the second Lagrange point, or L2 for short. L2 is a point where the gravitational influences of the Earth and Sun and motion of the orbit combine to create an equilibrium. As Webb orbits L2, the telescope stays in line with Earth as it travels around the Sun. The telescope's optics and instruments need to be kept very cold to be able to clearly observe the very faint signals of very distant objects. This location is perfect for Webb's sunshield to block out light and heat from the Sun, Earth, and Moon. Unlike the Hubble Space Telescope, Webb's orbit keeps the spacecraft out of the Earth's shadow, making L2 a thermally stable location for the observatory to operate. Webb will operate within its field of regard. The field of regard refers to the angles the telescope can move while staying in the shadow of the Sun. Each of Webb's instruments has its own field of view. The field of view is the area of the sky an instrument can observe. Webb's fine steering mirror is moved so that an object can be observed by the different instruments. This prevents the whole telescope from having to repoint itself to do so. The commissioning process will be complete approximately 6 months after launch, at which time Webb will start its science mission, helping to uncover more of the mysteries of our universe.
So there you have it. Webb is in a stable orbit now at Lagrange Point 2. So Amber, Scarlin, that leads us to the big question